Irisnet Coin price prediction. First introduced in 2019, Irisnet was introduced as a service protocol that promises many innovations such as communication and data exchange between blockchains. The Irisnet system is being developed to be the basis for the next generation of decentralized applications. For this reason, its own cryptocurrency, Irisnet Coin, was introduced in the following year, 2020. What is Irisnet Coin? It was developed using the Cosmos SDK and is a service protocol. It also provides many benefits, such as interoperability between blockchains through access to various DeFi products. Using the Iris protocol, users can trade coins between blockchains. They can communicate, vote, and actively participate in some innovations. The related coin network also allows users to communicate and interact with other blockchains. With these features, Irisnet Coin is considered to be the beginning of a highly revolutionary system. What are the features of the Irisnet Coin infrastructure? The biggest feature of this infrastructure is that it is protected by a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Irisnet not only enables cross-chain asset transfers. It is also based on providing users with access to data and computing services on a global scale. In 2022, despite a severe economic challenge, the project supports NFTs and provides solutions for decentralized business applications. Looking at the current Irisnet infrastructure, we can observe that NFT projects are extremely underutilized. Nevertheless, the team behind the project has implemented a number of NFT and metaverse infrastructure developments within the protocol. These applications include a marketplace that enables the healthy trading of data without compromising privacy, an exchange for the transfer and trading of digital assets, and finally a marketplace for electronic services. Is it worth investing in Irisnet Coin? Will Irisnet Coin go up? Iris Coin stands out as a cryptocurrency with a staking feature. When we look at its features in general, it is possible to see that it has an infrastructure that is not much different from a standard stock exchange. Beyond these features, Iris owners ensure the security of the network by locking their assets in smart contracts. In return, the network rewards staking users with tokens. This is perceived by many experts as a reason to invest in this coin. In addition, Iris is the default payment method for the gas fee paid for transactions on the network. Users have to pay with Iris in order to make transactions. Iris also provides decentralization for the network. In other words, the system continues to direct its own earnings through its own operating mechanism. Irisnet Coin holders can also use their assets to participate in the governance of the platform. They can also use it to make suggestions to the community and vote on decisions, if desired. Service providers on the platform also use tokens. These users can pay for their services using Iris Coin. Warnings for Irisnet investors. Although many experts predict that this coin has a promising future, it is important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are extremely volatile and it is possible to experience serious declines. The Irisnet Coin forecasts given here year by year should not be considered as investment advice. Irisnet Coin price prediction 2023. During this year, Irisnet Coin has drawn a very active graph. For 2023, the minimum price forecast is $0.028, the average price forecast is $0.040, and the maximum price forecast is $0.048. These price forecasts are calculated taking into account current market conditions and inflation rates. Irisnet Coin price prediction 2024. For 2024, the minimum price forecast is $0.025, the average price forecast is $0.043, and the maximum price forecast is $0.055. When we take a look at these forecasts, it is possible to see that it is in a higher range compared to 2023. The reason for this increase is expected to be due to possible increases in the value of Irisnet Coin. Irisnet Coin price prediction 2025. For 2025, the minimum price forecast is $0.041, the average price forecast is $0.054, and the maximum price forecast is $0.063. These price predictions show a higher range compared to 2024, and this increase can be attributed to the rise in popularity and demand for Irisnet Coin. Irisnet Coin Price Prediction 2026. For 2026, the minimum price forecast is $0.032, the average price forecast is $0.057 and the maximum price forecast is $0.071. According to experts, the upward trend in the price of Irisnet Coin will continue. Especially between 2028 and 2030, the price increase continues significantly. Irisnet Coin Price Prediction 2027. The minimum price forecast for 2027 is $0.028, the average price forecast is $0.063 and the maximum price forecast is $0.080. Experts predict the same rise in all systems that continue to work on similar platforms with Irisnet Coin. It also predicts a rapid increase in the value of the relevant coin, and investors are advised to pay attention to the year 2027. Irisnet Coin Price Prediction 2028. There is no doubt that the rise of the coin continues this year. For 2028, the minimum price forecast is estimated at $0.035, the average price forecast is $0.074 and the maximum price forecast is $0.090. Considering the coin's infrastructure and new investments, it shows that the increase in the price of Irisnet Coin will continue in 2029 and 2030 and shows a positive potential for investors. Irisnet Coin Price Prediction 2029. The minimum price prediction for 2029, which is considered to be the year when the coins will accelerate the most, is in the range of $0.046, the average price prediction is $0.093 and the maximum price prediction is $0.112. These price forecasts show that the rapid increase in the value of Irisnet Coin will continue and investors can increase their earnings. Irisnet Coin Price Prediction 2030. According to the table for the target year 2030, the minimum price is estimated at $0.086, the average price is $0.172 and the maximum price is $0.201. These figures mean that the coin may attract the attention of investors, especially in recent years, with a significant upward trend. However, there is always uncertainty in these estimates due to fluctuations in market conditions and other factors. Irisnet Coin Expert Opinions. Experts predict that the Irisnet Coin will increase at a remarkable rate, especially by 2027. The primary reason for this increase is that investor interest, corporate sponsors, and naturally, the staking infrastructure will become more important. When such variables come together, it can be said that it will be possible for the Irisnet Coin to exhibit an extremely rapid rise for 2029. When all these options are considered, many expert opinions suggest that this coin may make sense for a long-term investment.